How to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. Connecting your Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener allows you to monitor and trade your Solana-based assets efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, make sure that you downloaded the Phantom Wallet app and you're signed into your account. Also make sure that you downloaded the DEX Screener app. If not, you can do it on your desktop browser. Open your DEX Screener app and tap Moonshot Trending. Then at the top left corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click it and then it will show you 2 options, which is Launch Your Token and My Tokens. Tap My Tokens option and then it will show you 2 options again, which is Open in Phantom and Open in Browser. Tap Open in Phantom and then it'll show you Connect Your Wallet option. Tap the Connect button and it'll show you 3 options, which is EVM Phantom, Solana Phantom, and Global Abstract Wallet. Tap the Solana Phantom and then just tap the Connect button again. Once connected, your wallet address should be visible on DEX Screener, indicating a successful connection. Go back to the Moonshot dashboard and tap the 3 horizontal lines again. At the lower left, you'll see the Phantom app icon, which means it's now connected. And that's all for this video. Thank you.